How does the various first tell me what are the common sources of history? Hmm. What are the common sources to gather history? How you'll it will come? God will come and tell the history. What are the common sources of history?
Talking.
Oral, okay, oral. So the stories, Mahabharata and Ramayana. Um, One is we get the proof in different temples where there is
Scripture.
scriptures and also um, sculptures are there. No, from that will kettane design in Badami cave we'll see. No, uh,
That we have made her.
hmm.
Which cement we have made her.
It was how many years back? It was before some.
10
It
years.
was in not 10 years. First BC it was.
Eh?
Before first BC only this Badami
1 BC.
Hoysala. First
CE.
CE. Sorry. Chandragupta Maurya. That also proof we have. He was BC before the birth of Jesus Christ. He was born just after 400 years of Gautam Buddha's birth. Okay,
Who?
Chandragupta Maurya. Hmm. So that proof also we have. That is from scriptures, sculptures means kettane, artistic different sculptures they have made now. So first source, primary source is what? The sculptures, the documents, whatever we'll get direct. Secondary source is books, recent books.
What is it?
First primary source is what? Artifacts.
Article.
Means the tools or some the things that was made by the ancient people. That one or the sculptures or the different designs. From in stones we'll see no in Shravana Belgula all the temples it was made before BC.